Cześć kochani, it's Basia and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are not cooking, but we are making magnesium oil. And what I'm going to do at the very beginning of this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to make it. And then for those who are interested to learn more a little about magnesium and about the magnesium oil, the applications and stuff, I encourage you to stay until end of this video. So right now, let's just quickly make the oil.
That's good.
So what we will need magnesium chloride flakes. This is going to be for topical application, and magnesium chloride is really good form of magnesium, and it's very easy absorbed through our skin. So the important thing to remember when we're making oil is to have a 1-to-1 ratio. We're using only two ingredients, which is magnesium chloride and hot water. 1 cup of magnesium chloride and 1 cup of hot water. There you go. And all we have to do right now is to stir it well for the flakes to completely dissolve, and then we will allow it to cool completely before we pour it into our bottle. As you can see, because the water is hot, those flakes dissolve very quickly, and the solution becomes thicker, and you don't have to use any preservatives. You don't have to worry later of storing this in a refrigerator, because this is salt and it's shelf stable. Also, it's called magnesium oil, but really it's just water solution. It just may feel on your skin like oil when you apply it, and you can buy ready-made magnesium oil in many health stores, but they are usually quite pricey, and here you can make your own. You know exactly what is inside, and you can make as much as you need. So now I'm going to cool it down completely, and then we will pour it to the bottle, and I will tell you a little more about this. Okay, so this cooled, and I'm going to transfer it to my little bottle, and always remember to label your bottles. So I'm going to write magnesium oil. Okay, so we're going to put our label, and I would keep it in this glass bottle. You can of course use any bottle that you like, and with the screw top. And then I have for it different tops. One is more like the soap pump, or you can use a spray, whatever works for you. So again, this is magnesium oil that it's for your transdermal application. This is not something that you would want to take internally. It's only for your external use. And the wonderful thing about this oil is that in this form, magnesium absorbs very well to our body, and also it's very safe because your body will absorb only as much as it really needs. One thing what I really suggest, like with any remedies, it's to start slow, because the more deficient you are of magnesium, the more tingling kind of sensation you can experience on your skin when you start using. So what I would do, I would just spray a little, and you can spray all over your body. You can spray on your arms whenever you like. Just start with a little, and if you feel the tingling, that's completely normal, nothing to be alarmed of. And then you can start increasing every few days, just a little more. Another important thing is, when you start using this, just continue, be consistent, because it really takes a while for the body to get to the levels that it really needs. The best way, of course, to get magnesium or any minerals or vitamins, it would be through food. But just because the soil is very depleted, and today farming is completely different than the farming, let's say, decades ago. And not many farmers, only the organic or biodynamic, they really take the time to build the soil and make sure that the soil is rich in minerals, so we can get enough of our food. And with the high level stress that we experiencing every day, our body uses magnesium very, very quickly. So another good thing about this kind of application is whenever you would have cramps, you may have cramps in your leg, or you can have menstrual cramps, the area that you would spray with this magnesium oil, you will feel the relief pretty immediately. Kochani, so now you can see how easy you can make your own magnesium oil. One more thing, when you apply on your skin, let it soak for about 30 minutes before you maybe planning on taking shower. Best is usually after the shower, making sure that the skin is free of any lotions, soaps, and this kind of thing. So I want to keep this video short, but I will put a little more information in the description box, and soon on my website. It's not live yet, but I'm working on it. Another thing I would like to ask you, if you like this kind of information, if you would like to learn a little more about natural medicine, maybe herbal medicine making, this kind of stuff, please let me know in the comments, because I will only post things that my viewers really want to watch, because I'm here for you. I'm making this for you. So I hope you liked it. I hope you will find it very helpful, and I really thank you for being here today. As always, thank you for supporting me. I see you next time.